Packing perfect school lunches. A fun and nutritious adventure. Hello, English learners, and welcome back to another fantastic lesson. Today we're diving into the daily routine of preparing school lunches for kids. It's a common task many parents and caregivers around the world perform every school day. It might seem simple, but there are a lot of English words and phrases involved that you will find useful to learn. Let's start our lunchbox journey. In this section, we'll go over some important words that you will often encounter when preparing school lunches. Here are some examples. Lunchbox, a container for holding a meal at midday. Sandwich, a food item typically made of 2 slices of bread with meat, cheese, or other fillings in between. Fruit, it can be an apple, banana, orange, or any other type of fruit. Fruits are very common in school lunches. Snack, a small amount of food eaten between meals. Thermos, a container that keeps drinks or soup hot or cold. Healthy, something that is good for you and your body. Now, let's learn some phrases and sentences that we often use in the context of preparing school lunches. Let's pack your lunchbox for tomorrow. Would you like a ham and cheese sandwich or peanut butter and jelly? Remember to eat your fruits. They're healthy. I'll put some milk in your thermos. Did you finish your snacks from yesterday? To better understand how these words and phrases work in a real conversation, let's look at a dialogue between a parent and a child. Parent: Sarah, let's get your lunch ready for tomorrow. What would you like in your sandwich? Sarah: I'd like turkey and cheese, please. Parent: sounds good. I'll also pack some carrot sticks and hummus for a healthy snack. Sarah: and can I have some apple juice in my thermos? Parent: of course, honey. Remember to finish everything, okay? And there we have it. We've learned some key vocabulary, phrases, and even seen a practical dialogue about preparing school lunches. Remember, practicing is crucial. Try using these words and phrases in your daily conversations. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and happy English learning.